Ever dreamed of sailing across the Spanish coastline, taking in stunning views from a luxurious yacht? In this video, I'll walk you through how to make that dream come true with a simple, beginner-friendly guide on booking a yacht in Spain. You don't need any experience with yacht rentals to follow along, as I'll explain everything in clear, straightforward steps. First, we'll start by exploring the booking platform. Begin by selecting Spain as your destination, then choose from various yacht types based on your travel needs and preferences. You'll find filters to refine your options, such as size, number of cabins, and whether or not you'd like a crew on board. This makes it easy to find a yacht that matches your budget and style. Next, I'll guide you through the process of reviewing and comparing yachts. Each yacht listing provides detailed information, including photos, amenities, and user reviews. This is essential for making an informed choice. Make sure to consider factors like yacht condition, service reputation, and add-ons like Wi-Fi or air conditioning. Pricing varies significantly based on yacht size, luxury level, and rental duration, so comparing options will ensure you get the best deal. One of the biggest advantages of using this site is its transparent pricing. There are no hidden fees. What you see is what you pay. Additionally, the booking process is secure and straightforward, with customer support readily available if you have questions. Many users appreciate the streamlined checkout process, which includes all necessary details up front. Take a look at the available add-ons and extras before you finalize your booking. You can add special requests or arrangements, like a private chef or water sports equipment, to elevate your experience. Also, keep in mind the cancellation policy, which is often flexible but should be reviewed carefully to avoid unexpected charges. The platform is great for anyone looking to book a yacht for the first time, with easy navigation, clear descriptions, and plenty of resources to help you make a choice. With their diverse selection and transparent approach, renting a yacht in Spain has never been easier. Ready to set sail? Book a yacht through my link in the description and start planning your Spanish yachting adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.